Hello everyone, welcome to TechSphere Property. This is your go-to channel for everything real estate in Nigeria. I am Rex Olamide, and today we'll be diving into the world of real estate investment trust, popularly called REIT. So whether you're a Nigerian or member of diaspora, this particular video is meant for you. So let's get started. Real estate investment trust fund are a group of companies that owns, operates or finance income producing real estate, and this property might range from commercial buildings, residential complexes, shopping malls, hotels, and even a vast piece of land like forest. Real estate investment trust fund, commonly called REIT, puts money of various investors together to buy and manage real estate investments or mortgage loans, and this in turn gives individual investors opportunity to earn dividends from their real estate investment without having them themselves buying or manage or finance any real estate, because this is being taken care of on their behalf by the real estate investment trust. There are mainly three types of REITs, real estate investment trusts. The first one is equity REITs, then the second is mortgage REITs, and the third is hybrid REITs. Equity REITs are companies that owns and manage real estate property. They generate income primarily by collecting rent from the tenants who lease the property. Unlike directly owning the real estate, investing in equity REITs allows you to participate in a diversified portfolio of income producing real estates without the hassle of managing it yourself, and this is the benefit of equity. Mortgage REITs are type of real estate investment trust that invest in mortgage and mortgage-backed security rather than owning and operating physical property like the equity company does. They earn income from interest paid on these investments. Essentially, mortgage REITs act as middleman between lender and borrower in the real estate market by providing finance for income-producing properties. Talking about hybrid REITs, real estate investment trust, it combines both the characteristics of the equity and mortgage REITs together. They invest in both physical property and mortgage or mortgage-backed security. The diversification is aimed at providing investors with more stable and balanced investments compared to the traditional equity and mortgage REITs. So why investing in real estate investment trusts? The first important reason or benefit why you should invest in REIT is diversification. REITs can add diversification to your investment portfolio alongside stock or bonds or other investments you are doing by providing exposure to real estate properties without having to own any of the real estate or managing them. The second benefit of why you should invest in REITs is what I call passive income. By law, REITs are required to share 90% of their taxable income to the shareholders or to the investors through dividends, in form of dividends, and this can provide a steady stream of income for you over time without having to own a real estate property yourself. The third benefit is affordability. REIT allow you to make an investment with a small amount of money compared to buying or owning a physical real estate property by yourself, and this allows many investors to have access without having to own the property yourself, which might require a lot or an huge amount of money, and this makes it accessible to many investors. Also, there's a potential for capital appreciation. In addition to dividend income, REIT also offer potential capital appreciation as value for their underlying real estate assets can increase over time. Other benefits of investing in REIT is liquidity, which means unlike directly owning the property yourself, REITs are traded on the stock exchange, which allow you to buy and sell shares very easily. The other benefit is high return. REITs typically offer attractive dividends, which often exceed 10% at times. Then another thing, when you talk about price stability compared to stock and bonds, REITs tend to experience less fluctuation in value and is much more stable than stock and bond. Lastly, trust is what I call convenience. It's so much convenient and it's just a straightforward thing to do. You can just research them can buy them through brokerage firm, and that is it, you are done. Now let's talk about some of the top Nigeria REITs that are listed in Nigeria Stock Exchange. The first one I would like to talk about is UPDC REITs. It's one of the largest Nigeria investment trades, offering ownership of investment grade real estate. That's exception on income, portfolio diversification, and stable distribution to unit holders. They are one of those REITs you can safely trust and make your investment with. The second top real estate investment trusts that are listed in Nigeria Stock Exchange is Sky Shelter Fund REITs, established in 2007. These REITs invest in high quality properties such as residential houses and warehouses, and you can also safely invest with them. The third REIT on Nigeria Stock Exchange is Union Home REIT, established by Union Home Savings and Loan PLC. This REIT offers long-term capital growth through investment in an approved portfolio of properties, and they are also one of the oldest subsidiary of Union Bank Nigeria. How to invest in REIT in Nigeria? Investing in REIT in Nigeria is straightforward, and this is how you can do it. The first thing you need to do is to open a brokerage account with a licensed stockbroker. I'm going to leave some of those licensed stockbroker that I use personally and that you can also make use of in the comment section, or just ask me in the comment section. I will give you some of these. Secondly, research and select the available REITs. As we have talked about different type of REIT, research them, make sure you understand them properly, or if you need more explanation on it, drop it also in the comment section. I will let you know the type of REIT that I myself also make my investment with. Thirdly is for you to buy the REIT and the REIT share with your brokerage account. Once you have selected the type of REIT that you want, then it's just for you to just buy a share from them based on your financial capacity. And lastly, ensure you monitor your investments. Do not just leave it that way. Monitor it, check the analysis. If you need help with this also, just ask me in the comment section. I'm going to tell you how I also monitor my REIT investments. REITs can offer a valuable addition to your investment portfolio. Whether you're in Nigeria or you're outside Nigeria, it can be a way for you to generate passive income and high return on your investments. And it's a way for you, a very good way for you, a convenient way for you to make an investment in a real estate without the hassle of owning the property or managing it yourself. And some of the challenges that real estate development trusts still face in Nigeria is the lack of publicity. Majority of people don't know that they can actually make an investment in a real estate without having to buy property or manage it themselves. And that is one of those reasons why I'm also doing this video. So if you can't manage a property yourself, or you don't want to buy the property, own the property yourself, you can actually make an investment in REIT, which is going to be a great additional portfolio to your investments. Thank you so much for watching and for being patient to the end of the video. And if you find this video very interesting and very educative, please like and subscribe to this channel so I can get more of our video whenever we upload video every week. Of course, if you have more questions on some of those things we mentioned and you want to ask more details about it, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to attend to every question. Until next time, when we meet again, I wish you a happy investing. Thank you.